Hello, welcome to Java programming tutorials. So yesterday, if you remember, we did a video on NetBeans IDE. I just explained some basic stuff about NetBeans IDE, like creating a project and all. So today we'll be creating our first Java program, first simple Java program. That's what we're gonna be making today. So the first thing that you should be knowing is comments in Java. The first page, this is the first page that you're going to be getting. Okay, so this is the first page, and you see these are comments. These are multi-line comments, and these are single-line comments. According to your wish, you can use whatever you want. Comments are actually used to improve the readability of your programming segment. So that in the software industry, basically the comments are the most important part. You should be using comments wherever possible. It improves the readability. And then if you see, like, you have class. It's a very confusing term. What's a class? You're thinking, what the heck does class mean? You see it in every programming language: class, public, this, that, and all. Class is actually, you see, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, and class uses one of those features of object-oriented programming language known as encapsulation. Okay, so you'll be learning about the meaning of encapsulation, this, that, and all later. Those are the intricacies of object-oriented programming that will be learning later. So now we'll be actually doing our first program. That is, this is the main programming segment. Remember that this is the main programming segment. You'll be writing your code here. So this is a comment. This is a single line comment to do code application logic here. So let's write our first program. Okay, it's just we're just printing a string, and in Java, to print a string, this is the correct syntax: system dot out dot print, and then just write whatever you want here. Inverted commas, double inverted commas, remember that. Double inverted commas. Single inverted commas is for character, is for string. Double inverted commas for string. Hello world, this is what we always write, right? Hello world. Hello world. Yes, I don't know why we write that, but we still write hello world always. Hello world, hello Java world, you can write anything. And here I'll tell you how to add a comment. You can add a comment here. It's like greeting message, right? Greeting message. I'm a slow typer, please forgive me for that. I'll improve my typing skills. Basically, I'm not a professional programmer. I am just good with Java programming. That's why I thought that I'll help you with Java programming languages. This video tutorials are especially for newbies, so that you can start with Java programming. With this, you can become a top level programmer, or you can start developing applications. Android application. Android is the biggest sector, is the biggest software sector where you can use Java programming languages. Okay, if you learn Java, you can do Android programming. So let's print one more string. Okay, system, and see there's these suggestions. Basically, a new programmer shouldn't use these suggestions. Of course, a veteran can use this, but a new programmer should never use this, because you should be knowing the syntax properly. System.out.print. You see, there are two types. Either you can have print or println. I'll show you what println is. So println, hello PT, my name is PT Wright. PT Wright, my name is PT Wright. So this is how you print a new line. So what happens in print? What's the difference? If you ask me what's the difference between print L and println, PT Wright, please tell me what is the difference between these two. I'll tell you that in println, it'll start with a new line. The string will start with a new line. Okay, so that it looks better, right, if you start with a new line. Otherwise, like, you need to provide a space here and all this stuff. You may not do that in this. Okay, print line. So you see, that's your first simple Java program, and it basically just prints a string. We'll just try printing it. Run project. So see, hello world, hello PT Wright. See this? It's interesting, right? Yeah. I told you, right, print ln. So after this I'll print one more string and show you what it really means. I'm using this drop down thing, okay? Don't say anything, I'm sorry. Welcome to Java. Welcome to Java. So let's run the project again. See, I told you, it is like, it comes in the next line and it tells the NetBeans ID tells us about the total time taken. That's 0 seconds, I don't know why. And build is successful. We build it and then we run it. Okay, so that was your first program. There's a first simple program. And if you want me to elaborate, I'll say one more thing. See this public static void main you see here, right? This is actually not a statement. A statement is Java, and Java ends with a semicolon. You see this ends with a semicolon. So this is a statement. This is a statement. These two are statements. This one can be considered a statement, I don't know, but this one can be considered a statement. But this public class Java doesn't end with a semicolon, so that means it's not a statement. If it's a statement, it will end with a semicolon. Remember that, okay? It's like small things you should be remembering to master any programming languages. You start with the basic hello world program. You start declaring variables in the next class. You start using looping. If you can have for loop, while, there's that switch statements, if, conditional looping, everything is there. We'll cover all those things, no need to worry. This is for a beginner. You start with a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any programming language can learn programming language with my tutorials. PT right is always right in these things. Okay, so that is it. And if you want to ask any questions, please ask them. Please put those comments. You can type anything there. You can discourage me, you can encourage me, you can motivate me, you can ask anything there about Java programming language. I'll try to clear your doubts. And I'm not a professional programmer, but still I try to help you out. Okay, and so that's it. That's your Java program. Practice this 4 or 5 times. Try creating new files. You'll discover more things. Try to change the interface. You can totally write tools, options. You can change the interface. Changing the interface is also fun. Because this is basic. The IDE is basically the thing that you'll be using for programming. So it should match to your expectations, right? So you can change the appearance, anything. Okay. So if you like this, please like it down, and please subscribe to my videos. I'll be posting more and more videos. And thank you for watching. And if you want something that I should improve in my videos, like adding more fun content, I can do that. I don't have any problem in doing that. Okay, so bye. Meet you next time.